Hi everyone, want to turn your imagination into a stunning AI art in just minutes? Today I'll show you how to create a stunning AI art with Civitai, a beginner's guide. Let's get started. So what is Civitai? It is a free community platform that lets you discover, download and use AI models like Stable Diffusion to generate amazing art from the text prompts. You'll find a thousand of models, styles, and loras trained by creators around the world. And here's how to get started. First, go to the civitai.com and create a free account or log in with Google. And in the home page, browse it to explore a trending models, fantasy, anime, and more. And here in choosing a model, let's say you want to create a fantasy style art, just search in fantasy and filtered by the model type or style. Then here click on the model, then click download or copy the model link to use in your own tool like Automatic 111, Web UI, or Mage Space. Then generate your first image. Use a free platform like Mage Space to try Civitai models without setup. Here you can paste a model name or select the Mage model list and enter your prompt. And here, hit generate. Then after that, for the tips for the better result, you can use commas to separate concepts. You can add quality terms, avoid cluttered prompts, and try using loras or the lightweight AI tweaks. And then you can now save and share. Download your image and upload it with the result to Civitai to get feedback from the community. And that's it. Now you know how to create a stunning AI art with Civitai in just few clips. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching.